Welcome to CUED 6430. This is Production of Instructional Materials. This class is completely online and completely self-paced. What that means is that you can complete as many modules as you like each week. If you're a go-getter and you want to get as many modules done at the beginning of the semester you can, that's perfectly fine. But if you want to wait till the end, that's fine too, though I don't recommend it because these modules do have a lot of work that's involved in them. There are 8 modules that are required, so I've kind of separated them out that you could do one a week. But I'd probably recommend doing maybe 2 a week at the beginning of the year. That way you've got some time for the holiday, for 4th of July and those types of things. So let's just dive right in. This is Canvas. You'll notice this is not iLearn. This is Canvas. This is not Schoology either. This is a new, relatively new content management program. I wanted to try this one out this time around to see how it works. The reason why I'm using Canvas and not iLearn is because iLearn is not available to K-12 teachers, but Canvas is. So I'm wanting to use products that you guys can use in your classroom. So this is the syllabus. Just kind of go quickly through this. I'll let you guys read this in more depth because there is important information about what you need to do in this class in the syllabus. But I want to get down to the required materials. You'll need to have access to a device, a computer with video and audio recording capabilities. You want to have a laptop or a Chromebook or something that has a webcam built in and can record audio. The reason being is because you're going to be doing screencast in this class. You will need a Google account. You're going to also need to install the Chrome browser, and you're going to need access to the Chrome Web Store. Now, once you install the Chrome browser and you go to the Chrome Web Store, the first app that I want you to download is Screencastify. This is a free app, and it's the app that you're going to use to record your some of your assignments. Now, what it looks like is up here in the top corners, you can see this is the Screencastify app. When you click on it, it's going to give you the ability to record video from your webcam and from your microphone. And if you choose the tab option, this gives you the ability to actually highlight and annotate and move things around. That's kind of nice. Now, what Screencastify does is it ties into your Google Drive account. Again, why you got to have a Google account. So this ties into your Google Drive account, and then when you're finished, I'm going to go ahead and just run this real quick so you guys can see what it looks like.
2, 1.
So now I'm doing a screen recording of a screen recording. Imagine that. All right, so now I'm finished with this screen recording. I'm going to click this link here to stop it. I'm going to end the recording, and then this is what it's going to look like. So now I'm doing a screen recording of a screen recording. Imagine that. All right, so now I'm finished with this screen recording. I'm going to click this link here to stop it. Okay, so now that this recording is over, I'm going to go up here, and I can share this. So I can click on it, and I can share it to YouTube or to Google Drive. When I go to Google Drive, I can get a shareable link. That's the link that you're going to send me so I can view your documents and view your videos and view anything else you create within this class. So click on Google Drive, share on Google Drive, get the link, and then make sure the privacy is set so that only people with the link can view it. So you want to make sure that you check this that says unlisted, so that anybody with the link can view it. If it says only you can view the video, then I can't view the video. But if it says unlisted, then I can view the video. So make sure you get the shareable link. You're going to copy the link, and then you're going to paste that in your modules so that I can then go in and watch the video. Okay? So that's super simple, really easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and just trash can this. We don't need that. So there we go, and that takes us back into the syllabus. Here are the standards, and here are the assignment modules. So one thing that I want to point out is that you need to make sure that you have a webcam image of yourself talking about what you're doing. The reason why is because this is an online self-paced class. I need to verify that you are the one actually creating these projects. So that's how I'm going to do that, through embedded webcam images. I'm going to have a live video of you talking about your screen, okay? You do need to complete 5 mandatory modules and 3 optional modules. Here are the optional modules that you can choose from. Here are the mandatory modules. There are quizzes at the end of the mandatory modules, and I do encourage you to complete the assignment and the video tutorials before you attempt the quiz. For the optional module, there's also a link to a Google form. What I'd like you to do is kind of look at the different module options, and then within the Google form, I want you to sign up for which 3 modules you want to do. And then once I get the ones that you've signed up for, I'm going to issue those modules to you. I'm going to assign those to you so you'll be able to get your grades and see your grades within the grade book. Okay? Of course, letter grades, TK20, since I'm revamping this class this summer, I'm running it through. This is the first time running it through like this. I'm not going to be submitting anything TK20, and you are not either. Attendance policy. This is an online self-paced class, but you do need at least check in once a week, and I will check to make sure that you are checking in once a week. So make sure you do that. You log in once a week. Okay, so that's the end of the syllabus. This is what the modules look like. As you can see right here, I've got them broken down, and then each quiz at the end of the module. You can see everything is due by August 1st. Now, these modules do require a lot of time, so I definitely encourage you to try to do at least 2 modules a week and spend some time doing these, because like I said, you're going to be spending a lot of time inside these programs learning how they work and how they function. Okay? And then, of course, you got all of your optional modules down here at the bottom. So check out the optional modules, find out which one you want to do, pick the 3, and then in Google Forms, sign up for those 3 so I can issue those modules to you. The discussion page, this is where you're going to go and you're going to post questions. This is where you can go and ask for help. Other students can come here and they can respond to you. I can respond to you here. So this is our open forum for you to be able to go in and ask questions and or share features or tools or anything along those lines. People, this just gives you access to all the people who are in the class and, of course, your grades. And this gives you access to, of course, your grades. All right, so you can see what your grades will look like throughout the class. See, yeah, I think that's it. So that's the basics of this class. Like I said, check out that Google form, log into Canvas, get your account set up, get into the class, check out which modules you want to do within the Google form. Tell me which modules you want to do, and I'll go ahead and assign those to you. And while you're at it, go ahead and head on over to the discussion page and just say a quick hello to everybody. And of course, in your profile, make sure you fill out your profile so that people know who you are.